bye bye. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Bye 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 bye. Hey.
Hey, good morning, beautiful people. A little less energy because it is morning time. I'm about to kick off my work day, but I wanted to come in and share with you this new journey that I'm going to be on for the next 7 days. So recently I've purchased this 7-day juice cleanse from organic Jusu, and this is how the bottle looks like, and this is actually the one that I'm going to start with today. So the drink is called The Buzz. It has carrots, ginger, grapefruit, lemons, and orange juice, and it's 100% cold pressed raw organic juice. So there are actually 21 juices in this like juice cleanse package, and you're supposed to drink 3 a day. You can drink black coffee in between, and you can also drink water. If you do need to eat, you can eat raw fruits, raw vegetables. You can, limit the amount of nuts and stuff that you eat. I'm probably not going to do any type of nuts, but that is something that you can consider if, just juice and pure liquid is not suitable or not enough to sustain you for those 7 days. So this morning I have my black coffee. This is not how I usually drink coffee by any means. And I have my 40-ounce water bottle. There's some ice in here to keep it extra cold throughout the day, so I'll probably fight to drink like 2 of these. So I was literally itching to taste this drink because I have my work headset on and everything, so y'all know I'm not lying. So I basically finished my coffee and I wanted to take the first sip of The Buzz on camera to show you guys my first impression of the drink. I was just sneezing up a storm just now, so I don't know if my voice sounds a little nasally. Actually, I sound echoey as well, so okay. So separation is normal, but I did shake the juice a little bit before recording this part. So we're gonna take a little sip. You can taste, I can taste the carrot, I can taste the orange in there. There's a little hint of ginger. It's not as gingery as I would have thought. But yeah, if I had all 21 of these, I could drink this 3 times a day, So I'm about to have my second drink of the day. This one is the Green Machine, and it has red apples, pineapple, kale, lemon, ginger, cucumber, and parsley inside of it. So this is, I guess, my lunch for today. I don't know if this is gonna be, sustainable to keep me until my last one. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how this one tastes. Okay, so I really taste the ginger in this one. I can taste the kale, parsley a little. I'm reading off the ingredients to see if I can individually taste each flavor. Okay, it's literally been about 40 minutes. I drank this one a lot quicker than I drank the first one, and I am feeling a little hungry. So I have 2 bananas to snack on throughout the day, and I also have a little kiwi to snack on for a little bit of fiber because I actually eat the outsides. I am feeling very hungry, and I also feel very deprived of energy, but that could be the coffee crash because I had the black coffee earlier this morning. I told you guys I was gonna have 2 bananas and a kiwi. I had the bananas earlier, and right now I have my kiwi. So this is my last juice for the day, and I just wanted to show you guys the separation, which is completely normal. Let me shake that up. This one is the Toxin Flush. This one has apple, ginger, lemon, Himalayan sea salt, parsley, and spinach. Let's give it another little shake, and we're gonna go in and taste that bad boy. Let's see. Whew. So the toxin flush is actually, it tastes a little different than the green machine for sure. I don't taste the ginger as much. I don't know what flavor, maybe it's the sea salt, because I know what parsley and spinach taste like, or maybe there's more apples in this. I have no idea, but this is a much more like cool, refreshing flavor than the green machine that I had. I do feel very hungry, and I also mentioned the caffeine crash or whatever that was. It could be from like the lack of food, not too sure yet. I'm excited to, you know, jump into this tomorrow and see if I have the same effects. Let's see if I'm only gonna lose water weight or if I'm gonna lose actual, you know, body fat and weight. So I'm super excited.